Hi, in front of me I have Samsung Galaxy A11 and I'm gonna show you how to force the restart on this device. To force the restart on this device, we need to press and hold the power button and volume down button together. So let's press and hold them, keep holding them until the device restarts basically. When the screen goes black and it vibrates, the phone vibrates, you can release both buttons. And after a few seconds you should see the Samsung logo, like this. And now wait until the device is done rebooting. And that's how you force the restart on this device. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.